Hey folks, welcome back to the Feroz Moto channel. Today we have some very exciting news I have to tell all you guys, and that is we have a new car coming to the channel. I'm so excited. I'm sure if you guys know me well, you know where this is going, but I had to get something rear-wheel drive, lightweight, good on steering, weight, everything, low on consumables, and you know, there's not a lot of options, and when it comes to it, there's always an answer for some things, and that answer to me is the Mazda Miata. So today, I'm going with my dad. We're going to be driving out to PA to go pick it up. I've been talking to the seller for almost 2 weeks now, just making sure everything's good. This car is really mint, and I'm so excited to share with you guys and bring you on the journey with getting this car. Gonna see what we're gonna do with it together on the channel. Some plans, some build ideas, what we're gonna do, and just wanna hear what you guys think down below. I think the ultimate two-car solution is really having an M3 4-door with a, more dedicated sports car being the Miata. I know a lot of folks don't really understand or appreciate or kind of understand the allure of those cars, but I think for the ones I've driven and the experience I've had in them, I think they're super special, and it's gonna be my first Japanese cars. I'm really excited. You guys can see on my face and everything. So we're gonna get some coffee. I could not sleep at all, and we're going to start our day. So I'm gonna get some get a cappuccino, probably one for my dad too, and then we're gonna go out and have some fun. It's about an hour and a half from me. I'm gonna go out, head there. Has to get notarized in PA. It's a whole bunch of some legal BS we have to do there, get it registered and everything. It should be fun. So I already ordered some parts. It's been sitting for a while. It's an older couple who's owned it. Garage kept and everything, pretty much spotless underneath, and it's gonna be a good time. So I don't want to spoil too much. I'll show you guys what it looks like once we get there, but we do have parts to be working on it straight as we get it. I got already some oil filter change, some brake pads, rotors. I also have some brake fluid to flush, an expansion tank as it is yellow. I do know NCs have that one issue. And other than that, we're just going to enjoy it and drive it. So stay tuned. If you guys like this content and want to join the journey of this car as well as the M3, I am keeping both. Thank God. I'm just so happy, and I couldn't do this without you guys, without my family, without the support of my loving fiance, my friends, everybody. This is honestly a dream come true. I know to some people this is just another car. I know it's not the most expensive car, but to me, it's just been something that is hard to justify, and I feel like I'm at a point now where I could do it. It's now or never. So I'm making the jump, I'm making the purge, and I don't think I'm gonna regret this at all, but let me know what you guys think. So stay tuned. We got our coffee, and now we head to get the car. Hey guys, we made it to Emmaus, PA. We are waiting now on the seller to come with the car with his parents. Gonna get it all finalized and sorted out. With my dad and the M3, we made it on the trip. Not too bad, thankfully not too much traffic at this time of the morning. The weather seems to be okay. I was expecting it to be way colder, so thankfully the car will hopefully not have too bad of a time getting back. I do know it's on 9-year-old summer tires, Pilot Super Sports, and the brake pads are pretty much non-existent, but should be enough to get us home. I already have stuff ordered and everything, like I said before. Should be good to go. So to respect the owner's privacy and everything, I'm not gonna record that, but I'll show you guys the car once it's rightfully mine. And guys, we got it home. Yo! All right, let's take a look. All right, folks, welcome to my 2014 NC3 Miata. Here it has 31,087 miles. I just put my first 100 getting it back, and this guy is absolutely mint. Already have some parts coming in. I know these guys like to pop, so I got an aluminum one coming. We're doing oil change, brake fluid flush. These tires are 9 years old, so we'll swap them out, and the front brake pads are also pretty worn. So I'm gonna swap out rotors and pads, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna try my best to source some tires and wheels together, maybe some all seasons or winters to get us through these very cold months and everything. But man, I am just so freaking happy. I drove it home, no problems. Already came with some nice WeatherTech floor mats, and it's just the perfect and fun cockpit. Only things done to this car is they had some previous tints in the top and the sides, but other than that, it is bone stock. And for a bone stock car, guys, I am actually really impressed. I know a lot of folks, like I said, don't see how like these guys are fun and everything, but man, like I just couple downshift rev matches, so easy to do. You take a nice on ramp, give it some gas, and this thing is just a lot of fun. So this has the, of course, suspension package, that comes with the Bilstein dampers and the LSD in the rear, so definitely a fun way to get it moving. 6-speed, of course, super slick, really nice. Thank you to my friend John Reeder for giving me this little cigarette lighter power attach. I did try putting my ram mount here, but the vibration with the cowl shake actually knocks it down. So I do know there's a 3D printed tool you put here with the phone mount here, and I think I'm gonna go that route. It looks really nice, and absolutely mint, guys. I do want to swap out this guy. It's a little gunky and dirty, but we might do an ND knob. And other than that, we're just going to enjoy it. Make sure that we are getting this car up to tip-top shape, give it the best that it deserves, especially for this car and everything, and we're just going to enjoy it, put some miles, and have some fun. So stay tuned, guys. If you have these cars, know these cars, friend have these cars, send this video. Let's try to get to 2,000 subscribers this year. I think that's a very attainable goal, so we'll see. If we crush out the park, we'll keep moving it up, and then we'll go from there. I'll try my best to get more content on this guy, all the maintenance and doodads that we need to get this guy done with, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your host, Feroz Moto, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.